Welcome back today into another video. So today I'm going to be talking on supply and demand zones. How can we identify supply and demand in the market? So simply I'll start by defining supply and demand. So the supply zone is where we're looking to sell market, all right, and the demand zone is where we're looking to buy market. Also, an area of supply is an area with increased selling pressure, and an area of demand refers to an area with increased buying pressure. Now, talking about that, you can see the structure here which I drew. All right. Now, an area for a demand, all right, is an area with increased buying pressure. You see the pressure here. The market was creating high and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This was an increased massive buying pressure, and for a selling for a bearish scenario, you will see an increased selling pressure, all right? It was creating a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, all right? If you've not watched the market structure video, go back to the previous video I did. I taught on that here, how you could identify market structure, all right? So identifying these zones, you want to see an impulsive move to the upside, and a BOS should occur also in a bullish structure, right? And we said for a bullish scenario, you want to see an impulsive move to the upside, which kind of creates a break of structure. Now, this was the break of structure. This was the break of structure, and this was the impulsive move. So this is the demand zone. This is how we draw our demand zone. So also kind of another impulsive move upward, retracement back down, impulsive move that took out another break of structure, right? So this was another demand here. Now, why for a bearish structure and a positive move downward and a BOS should occur, right? So positive move downward, which was creating a BOS here. This was the supply zone, and positive move downward again, and positive move downward and created a break of structure here. The supply zone. Well, let me show you this in the chat. Now, remember I taught on my previous video market structure. So like I said before, now for how we can mark out our supply zone here, this was actually bearish case now, for a bearish scenario in the market. All right, now actually for a bearish scenario, we said so supply zone is where we're seeing a massive kind of selling pressure. All right, so this was selling pressure in the market. So we want to see how can we draw this zone. We want to see impulsive move downward that is causing a BOS. This was the impulsive move downward, all right, that caused this break of structure here, because this was a previous higher kind of higher low that was formed here. Should have taken out this previous higher high, but the market didn't. It just came back and broke below the higher low. I taught that on my market structure video, right? You know, watch it. If you not watch it, go back to the previous video. All right, so this was an impulsive move that caused this BOS here in the market. So, and this was our supply zone, right? So you see the market got to that point and showed back. All right, so there was one here again, but these are kind of when market after the previous low was taken out here, market created a lower low, lower high, and but it took out another lower low here, right? And the positive move was took out this lower low here. All right, how do we identify this? There is one resting here, there's one supply zone resting here. Price actually used it to push price back down, all right, and another one was resting here. What I usually do, kind of here. Okay, so another one was here. When price go below that previous lower low, another supply zone was resting here. Okay, so actually price just mitigated it and move in slowly, and actually if we look at this trend, we're already trending to the upside here in the market at this point. All right, so market kept creating a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high here in the market. When price took out this point, when price crossed the BOS with this impulsive move, actually I will draw a demand zone. See, when price got into the demand zone, it just pushed back upward, and kind of at this point again, when there was an impulsive move, right? This was an impulsive move that caused this break of structure here, and this was our demand zone that price actually used to push back upward and then continuing this trend. All right, so another one was here when price created another break of structure, and then with this impulsive move upward, yeah, there was this demand zone resting here. So when price got into that point, it just pushed back upward, and another was here, another one was here. When price got into this point, it pushed back upward. All right, so this is how to identify the supply and the demand zone, all right, in the market. And currently we're on this point now, and we are trending back downward. Okay, so marking our supply zone, we'll mark this point here. Take this one. But when price was supposed to come mitigate the supply zone, it didn't. All right, I'm not going to be making the video very complex, but on my chart, this was what price actually used to push back downward. It's called a breaker block. All right, so maybe someday I'm going to be creating a video on that. So price uses breaker block to push back downward, and kind of created took another previous lower low and kind of. All right, so we want to be banking out these points in the market. So definitely price is going to come back here maybe in the future. All right, so we're going to be expecting price, when price maybe does its thing, something like this, kind of might expect this one come back down, or might just break above it and continue to sell trend. All right, so that is all for today. I hope you understand. Right, so if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, you should, because I will be posting a lot of video, a lot of educational tips also on trading. We'll see you guys on the next one.